Hi everyone, John Matthews here with Adventure Awaits World Travel. We just arrived at our room at the Delta Downtown Calgary Hotel for our Rocky Mountaineer trip, so let's take a look. This is a deluxe double room. So you can see it's a nice big room with a beautiful king-size bed and night tables on both sides of the bed with drawers for storage and individually controlled lights, and they have these nice little reading lights that you can move around and use as well. Beautiful artwork on the walls. This nice big desk and luggage rack, and more storage underneath the luggage rack. Nice great big flat screen TV, all kinds of plugs under the TV and by the desk. US and USB plugs. Canadian plugs are the same. And down here we have a little mini fridge which you can use to keep beverages or food cold. So very nice. As I mentioned, we're here for our Rocky Mountaineer journey and tour, which starts tomorrow, and we're excited to be here. So another mirror, and there's the other night table, more lights, comfortable chair and ottoman, and a nice view of Calgary. We're here in mid-May and it's snowing outside, as you can probably see, but still it's a beautiful city, and there's the Calgary Tower right there. And this is what the view from our window looks like the next morning when it's not snowing outside. See, it's a beautiful day and a lovely city and a beautiful view. So, lovely view. And then coming back into the room, on the other side of the room, you have this nice, great big full-length mirror. Got a little beverage station here with some cups, and they gave us some water bottles. Have a little mini coffee machine there. Here's the closet. Nice closet with plenty of hanging space. Got an iron and ironing board if you need it. And here's the bathroom. So you have a single vanity with plenty of storage underneath the vanity. Extra towels. Got a nice big backlit mirror. There's the facilities, of course. And a nice big walk-in shower with a rain shower head and a shower wand. Lovely deluxe room at the Delta Downtown Calgary Hotel in Calgary, Canada. So when you're ready to book your Rocky Mountaineer tour, contact us and we'll help make your dreams come true. If you like our videos, please like and subscribe to our channel and sign up for the free Adventure Club emails on our website. Thanks.